I am Mansi Sharma, faculty of BMCC IS from Delhi, and with me she is director of BMCC, Ms. Bengia Mekia. So we are very glad to release the book for APCS Mains. So as you see, we have a special program for APCS Mains, Mission Mains, and in continuation of that, we are releasing this book specially designed to meet your APCS Mains examination need. So you see, this is GS paper 2. A very precise book, and in this precise book entire content of GS paper 2 is covered. So no need to read so many books. Now your mains preparation is easy. Just read these books. So similarly we have old paper books. So follow them. You will be in very good position to write the good answers. Thank you.